Let's make some Persian chicken kebab skewers. This might be my most favorite recipe because it is super easy to make. It has very less ingredients and the chicken turns out amazing every time. So I've taken some boneless chicken here and I've added some onion, garlic, lemon juice, egg yolks, or you can use whole egg, some saffron dissolved in water, oil, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, yogurt, and a bit of turmeric powder. Then I gave it the cold smoke. Cold smoke is optional, but it gives the chicken that charcoal grilled chicken flavor, although you'll be cooking this in the pan. So I always do that. Then I pan fried the chicken. You can bake these in the oven as well or make them in the air fryer, but I just made them in the pan. Once the chicken is done, take the chicken skewers out and use the same pan and the same oil for making stir-fried vegetables. We make stir-fried vegetables with everything, like anything and everything, because we love eating vegetables. So this is a very good way to incorporate more vegetables into your meal as well. Once the vegetables are done, put the chicken on top and enjoy.